Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you the ways to transfer balance to US Bancorp credit card. So in order to transfer or request a balance transfer using a digital banking, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go and log into your usbank.com, and when you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. So from the home page, go ahead and select the specific credit card, and then you need to go to the option that says manage. When you've actually selected manage, then go ahead and select transfer a balance within the offer. As soon as you've done that, review the offer when you find one. Now select choose this offer and then select or choose a pay one from a drop down menu. Then you need to enter the request information below, then choose continue when done. If you're having trouble finding this, you can contact the financial institution's service team or department and they'll look into your matter. Likewise, you have to add the payee's address, account number to be paid, and the amount to be transferred. And at the same time, you need to see or select another account transfer if you have multiple payees. So by reviewing your balance transaction or information, then select view balance terms and condition and confirm the transaction. So that is how you can transfer a balance to US Bancorp credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.